In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign Full 2025 Guide. To get started, head over to DocuSign and either create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to the platform, the free trial is a great way to explore the core sending and signing features before committing to a paid plan. Once you're on the main dashboard, click New or start to begin a new document workflow. Then choose the option to send an envelope, which is DocuSign's term for sending a document out for signature. Next, upload the file you want people to sign. DocuSign supports PDFs, Word documents, and several other file types, and you can also bring in documents from supported cloud storage services if that's more convenient for you. After the file is uploaded, add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses. For each person, choose the correct role, such as needs to sign or receives a copy. If more than one person is involved, you can add additional recipients right here. If multiple people need to sign, make sure you set the signing order correctly. This is important because DocuSign can automatically route the agreement from one signer to the next in the exact order you choose. For example, one signer can complete it first, then it moves to the second, and then the third. Now click Next to open the document preparation screen. This is where you place the fields people need to complete. Start by dragging a signature field onto the exact spot where a recipient should sign. Then add any other fields you need, like name, date signed, initials, text, checkbox, or company. As you place each field, be sure it's assigned to the correct recipient so the right person fills in the right section. Before sending, customize the email your recipients will receive. Add a clear subject line and write a short message explaining what they need to do, such as asking them to review and sign the agreement. This helps avoid confusion and makes the request feel more professional. Then preview the full document carefully. Double check that every signature and required field is placed correctly and that each one is assigned to the right person. Once everything looks good, click Send. DocuSign will email each recipient a secure link to review and sign. When it's time to sign, the recipient opens the DocuSign email, clicks the link, and follows the start and sign prompts. They can adopt or create an electronic signature when prompted, then complete any required fields. After reviewing the finished document, they click Finish, and the completed agreement is returned to the sender. Back on your dashboard, you can track the document status, whether it's waiting for others, completed, declined, or voided. Once it's completed, open the agreement to view or download the signed copy. You can also store completed agreements inside DocuSign, and if you send the same type of document often, save it as a template with reusable recipient roles and fields to speed things up next time.